Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports are the big losers this morning, down about 1.5 to 2%. Reliance is also dragging this morning. That's interesting. So on the downside, you have a lot of heavyweights. Reliance, HDFC, ICICI Bank, Titan, and Adani Group stocks. In fact, Adani Enterprises is now down 3% straight off the back in early morning trade. So not a good opening, really. What's holding the market up is IT. HCL Tech, TCS are in the green right now. You have ONGC that's up about 1%. Wipro is in the green. And some auto stocks are holding up. Eicher Motors, Hero MotoCorp are just about trending above the green line. ONGC as well is up almost about 1%. But now the broader markets are starting to move into the red. So just be a bit cautious. The mid-cap index is down 50 points. The Bank Nifty is down about 18 odd points. So there's more red than green in the broader markets. And a lot of stocks. Z Entertainment is the one that's taking a big knock this morning, 7% lower now. And Adani Group stocks, Adani Wilmar, Power, Enterprises, Ports, all under pressure, down about 2 to 5%. So now the Nifty has moved into the red. Not a good start.
Well, that's right, Sonia. That initial gap up was likely to get sold into, and that's precisely what's happened. Mahindra CIE, that's reacting to its numbers. That was indicating a positive tick, and that's opened up in the green. So after Sonata Software, well, they've acquired Quant Systems, a Texas-based IT services corporation company. But it appears that, that deal is quite large out there. By the way, we're talking about Mahindra CIE. Yeah, that's up for you on the screen. Sonata Software as well was indicating a bit of a flattish start to kickstart trade. But that, in fact, has opened up as well. So let's get the initial rates coming in on that one. That's up 2.7%. So for starters, the street likes it. They're being quite aggressive, but that's got a thumbs up. Z Entertainment, in pre-open it was down even 7-8% at one point of time. It opened up with a cutoff around 5%. That's because the NCLT has admitted IndusInd Bank's insolvency plea against the company. They're likely to appeal against this, so keep an eye out on that. HG Infra, that opened up in the green. The company has emerged as the lowest bidder for a project in Himachal Pradesh. So that as well was up close to around 2%, or it's still holding in the green. And Sandur Manganese, well, only around 4,000 shares have been traded out there. But they're going to be getting to enhance their manganese ore capacity. So that's why that's up close to 7.5%. But keep in mind, there's just 5,000 shares that are traded on that one. Prashant.
All right. So it's a slow start, 20 points down, 17,540 is where we are at the low point of the day. I mean, the day is 2 minutes or so far. So give it time. I mean, you will get occasional bounces. You will get occasional sell-offs from there as well. So it's, of course, it has been clear for some time. The one-way nature of the market, is just simply not there anymore. It's volatile. Z is, of course, as everyone's been highlighting, down 6% at about 194 is the big volume traded knock that we have. Actually, most Adani stocks are lower. Adani Group stocks are lower by varying degrees. By a third of a percent cut on ACC all the way to 5% on a few others. Adani Ports is down 0.5% or so as well. IRB should come up on your screen. That is a 7% knock on IRB infrastructure, which has come through. Stocks, I think, at about 32 or so. Big volumes as well for this time of the day. Varun Beverages should come up. It's down about 1.5%. 1285 on Varun Beverages. Tata Elxsi is down about 0.6, 0.7, and a few more. IEX, Bank of India, Policy Bazaar are these names. So, but volumes are still lacking. Advanced decline, it started 2:1, got to 1:1, now in favor of advances again by